Hello, my dear YouTube family. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. And in today's fast moving world, time is very precious commodity. But there is one task that often consumes hours of our valuable time, and that is the creation of PowerPoint presentations. So, from brainstorming content to formatting slides, the process can be tedious and laborious. But, what if I told you that there's a solution that can streamline this process, saving you time and effort? So, yes, ChatGPT, an AI powered assistant that is totally changing the way we create the PowerPoint presentations. So, what this tool does is this tool leverages the power of artificial intelligence to provide instant assistance in generating content for your presentations. Whether you are a student, a professional, or anyone in need of creating PowerPoint slides, this tool will help you out. So, gone are the days of starting at the blank slide and struggling to come up with exciting ideas. With this tool, ChatGPT, you can simply input your key points or topics and watch as it generates ready made content for your slides in real time. So, I'm here to show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation just by using ChatGPT. And yes, we are not going to use any Word format or any third application. We'll just use ChatGPT and Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video and start making this. So I'm here in my internet browser and I'll head towards the website called chat.openai.com, and this will land you to our ChatGPT. And now we just need to ask ChatGPT to make a VBA code for our presentation. So let us say I'm going to make presentation on benefits of doing yoga and exercise. So here in the search option, I'll just type create VBA code for PowerPoint presentation on benefits of yoga and exercise and 5 slides. And I wanted to make 5 slides of it. Also include detailed explanation of each point. So this is what I asked ChatGPT to create. Create VBA code for making PowerPoint presentation on benefits of yoga and exercise, and I wanted to make it 5 slide presentation, and I also asked to include detailed explanation of each point. And let me hit the enter button to create the VBA code. And here's the magic. It has created a VBA code for PowerPoint presentation of 5 slides. You can see there are 5 slides in it, and there are some contents as well in this. So the next step is to copy this code. I'll click on this button to copy. And now I'll go to a PowerPoint. Let me click on blank presentation. And now we will go to developer tab. So I click on this developer. And here you can see that we have an option of Visual Basic VBA code. If you don't have developer tab enabled over here, you can go to file. And in the options, you can customize this ribbon. And instead of main tabs, you can select all tabs. And you can click on this checkbox of developer. It will be disabled in your system if developer tab is not visible. So you can click on this and press OK. So after that, you can see developer tab over here. So now let us click on Visual Basic, and it will open this Microsoft Visual Basics for applications. And after that, we will go to this insert module, and there is a drop down. So we will click on this drop down and let us select module out of this. So here we will paste that code which we have copied from ChatGPT. So I'll press Ctrl V, and this will paste all the code which we have just copied from GPT. And now after this, we will click on this run button, and I'll click on this, and boom, here we go. And here you can see it has created 5 slides, which consists of title slide, benefits of yoga and exercise. The second is stress reduction, and there are some points. Next is physical fitness, mental well-being, and improve sleep quality. So these are 5 slides which it has created beautifully. Now we just need to go to design and select a suitable design for this. So let me take this theme, medicine. However, you can change your colors from here like this. This design is as well good looking. So this is very simple. You can change the background as you want. So let me go to format background. Let us select picture or texture fill. Let me click on insert and let us insert from stock images. So let me choose a suitable background. So I'll select this and click on insert. I reduce the transparency and let us apply to all. You can change the design and the theme according to your topic and presentation. You can even modify the content according to your points. If you wanted that you don't want to modify the points over here, you can just ask ChatGPT to modify some points in the code itself. So here you can see that we have created a PowerPoint presentation just in few minutes using ChatGPT. We haven't used Microsoft Word in between or any other third application. And this method helped me to save my lot of time while I create presentations. I hope this will save your time as well. And if you find this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also, share this with your colleagues or friends so that it can save their time as well. Hoping to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.